How to fix we couldn't create a new partition error in Windows. To fix we couldn't create a new partition error in Windows, try 1. Disconnect all other external and internal storage devices. 2. Create the bootable device using third-party software, like Rufus at https://rufus.ie/n. 3. Run the following commands in command prompt section under Windows Save Mode. Start disk part list disk select the desired disk number, clean create partition primary active format fs equals ntfs quick assign.